Welcome back the Auto Plus. Dosto. Kaya appen kabi socha hai ek as gar kaber min jo surf sapno min holekin wo gar chail by Jihan. Ajhumbat karn whale hain ek as luxury motorhome ki jo na surf ek truck hai. Balki ek chalti ferdi mahal hai. Ya hai. 2025 Kenworth Motorhome. Swagat hai opka the Auto Pulse par. Jahan hum la hain ap lai ek dream home on wheels. Motorhomes ka craze pitchel kuch salon mean coffee bad gaya high. Log ab surf travel nai karna chat. Wool comfort or luxury kasoth jina by chat hain. Or jabbot hodi high heavy duty trucks key. To Kenworth ek mashur nam high. Is bar. Kenworth knee truck or luxury living ka is a combination benaya high jo duct high benata high. Dosto. Sabs pedalbot cart hain isk exterior key. 2025 Kenworth Motorhome ka base model high T680. Jo ek heavy duty truck high. Iska par bena gaya high ek custom designed luxury cabin jo pure aerodynamic style mean high. Ism LED lighting setup. Automatic extendable awnings or ek panoramic rooftop by Milta high. Body coffee sturdy high. Aluminium or high grade composite southeast Bani Hui. Jisyahar season mean fit bathe to high. Snow ho ya desert. Ab chalt hain andar or bisab. Andar gust high apko mesus hoga haze kisi 5-star hotel suite mean aa gay ho. Is motorhome mean mylega apko ek full-size living room jism plush sofas, recliners or surround sound system laga high 65-inch smart TV, ambient lighting or fireplace, Han, fireplace by kitchen by Kisi modern flat southeast Kamnai, granite countertop, induction stove, full-size fridge or microwave oven. Yes ab coffee efficiently designed kia gaya high taki space or functionality dono maintain ho. Or jab ap thak jain safar cart hue. To rest karn kalaya mylega ek king-size bed kasoth master bedroom. Yahan wardrobe. Smart storage solutions. Reading lights or ventilation system by Dia Gaya High. Bathroom by Kisi ordinary or Vihai Sanai. Ya high ek spa-like bathroom. Rain shower. Heated flooring. Vanity mirror or premium fittings. Sab kuch high-end. Ab bot cart hain isk drive experience key. Is Kenworth Motorhome mean laga high Pakar MX-13 engine jo produce karta high takriban 510 horsepower. Ism automated transmission. Adaptive cruise control. Lane assist or air suspension system dia gaya high. Chiski wa southeast long drives ekdom smooth ho jati hain. Or technology ka to jawab high nai. Ya motorhome completely smart system p com karta high. Tablet ya smartphone southeast app control car sact hain lighting. Temperature. Security cameras. Entertainment or even slide outs. Asterisk, motorhome home kabawad, ism napko milta high massive storage space, nichka compartments mean outdoor chairs, tools. Bike sab kuch aram southeast aa jata high. Solar panels roof p lage hain jo apki electricity needs coffee had tak puri car dat hain. Freshwater or grey water tanks. Generator backup. Waste disposal system. Sab kuch automatic or hassle-free high. Asterisk, absabs bada sawal. Iska price kaya high. Todosto, ya custom Kenworth Motorhome ki kimat shuru hodi high around $500,000 southeast. Lekin customization ka high sub southeast ya $1 million tak jaya sakti high. Lekin agar ap ek a's lifestyle kalaya invest karna chat hain jism comfort. Luxury or freedom ho. To ya motorhome ek dream home band sakta high ap lai. Asterisk, todosto. Ya tha ek exclusive look 2025 Kenworth Motorhome ka. Ek chalti ferdi zindagi. Jahan harmad par ek naya view. Ek nai kahani. Agar apko ye videops and naya ho to like. Share or subscribe zarir karen the Auto Pulse par. Kyanki a's high futuristic or luxury rides ham ap laya late rahenj. Milt hain agul video mean. Tab tak kalai. Safe travels and happy exploring. Agar chaho to main isk laya voice over ready script. With timestamps by Bana Saktahun. Ya visuals ko ideas by Desaktahun. Batal kaya chehi.